Sleep tips: how to beat insomnia and get a good night's sleep. Are you tired of tossing and turning all night, unable to fall asleep? In this video, I'm going to share with you the best sleep tips to help you get a restful night's sleep and beat insomnia. Learn how to create an ideal sleeping environment, make small changes to your lifestyle, and use relaxation techniques that will help you drift off into dreamland. Discover how you can get the quality sleep you need and wake up feeling refreshed with this simple yet effective guide. Insomnia can be a frustrating and debilitating condition, but there are several things you can try to help improve your sleep. Here are a few tips that may be helpful. Stick to a schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This can help regulate your body's internal clock and make it easier to fall asleep at night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Doing the same things every night before bed can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. This can include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Make sure your sleeping environment is comfortable and conducive to sleep. This means keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Additionally, invest in a good quality mattress and pillows to ensure that you are comfortable throughout the night. Limit exposure to screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can suppress melatonin production and make it harder to fall asleep. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Try relaxation techniques. Mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can help calm your mind and relax your body, making it easier to fall asleep. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both of these substances can interfere with sleep, so it's best to avoid them in the evenings or limit the amount you consume. Avoid napping during the day. Napping can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep at night. If you find yourself feeling drowsy during the day, try to engage in activities that will boost your energy instead. Get enough daylight during the day. Exposure to natural light during the day can help regulate your body's internal clock and make it easier to fall asleep at night. Limit exposure to light after sunset. Light exposure at night can interfere with melatonin production. It's best to use dimmer light in the evening, or use red light bulb that can be less disruptive to melatonin production.